Alright, this is 465 Main Street in Dunedin. We're at Flanagan's. I've got the camera run through the clean out that's out in front of the smokehouse. So as you enter the front door, 465, this will be the bathrooms all the way to the left. And we've jet cleaned the lateral that runs from one side of the building all the way to the other side. So this is the small bit of cast iron which we believe is going through the footing. Change the PVC, so you can see we still have a little bit of calcium buildup, but this entire line was just full of calcium buildup, and that's what we believe was causing the belly, because now that we have the camera in here, we've got very, very little water inside of this line. You're going to see a couple of small spots of calcium. We've scrubbed the line probably 6 or 7 times, up to 3,000 PSI, and we've made it look a million times better than it did. And again, we're coming underneath the front bar area over to the bathroom, which will be the men's room on the left side of the property as you enter the front door. And this is going to come back to cast. That's right where the toilet ties in. Cast looks good. And we're coming up the 90 now to come right out of the clean out.
It's filled up in there and flushed out.
So we've got all that calcium out in the main now, so now we're going to go and we're going to make sure we get all the calcium out of the main, which will be on the other side of the building. Thanks for watching.